What's going on, everyone? So today we are going to be rebuilding this Stihl FS 45 weed eater. As you can tell, it's missing a couple parts here, so I just went ahead and got on Amazon and got a rebuild kit for about 15 bucks. I'll drop the link in the description. And it's pretty much, in these rebuild kits, they're fairly simple. Comes with a new carburetor, new prime ball, new fuel filters, new air cover and air filter, which is something I need. So yeah, let's see here. Yep, so new cover and air box actually. New fuel line. Let's see. Got a new spark plug, 2 fuel filters, gaskets for the carburetor, and 2 of the push caps for the prime ball. And a new carburetor. That feels a lot better. So we're gonna go ahead and rebuild this all and show you exactly what we're doing. Alright, so got our impact, some screwdrivers, we might need them, socket set, and torque spits. That should about do it for everything. So let's go ahead and get this thing apart. We're gonna take, there's 2 screws or nuts right here on this. Got that. Got your little gasket right here. This should just come pretty much right off. Oh, nope, we got the throttle cable we gotta get out of here. Let's go ahead and get this fuel tank off though. Say it's probably this size, right? Yep, that's it. Got one there, one way back in here, one down here, one here. So takes that whole cover off. Dropping too many bolts. Let's see. I'm gonna just match this right here. So this, like that, goes on here. Oh wow, that's gonna be a tight fit. And that one goes there. All right. That fuel filter looks all right, but since we got a new one, we're gonna go ahead and replace it. that right on here. All right, now we got to get this throttle cable off. There we go. Oh shit. What'd that come off of? Right in there? Probably something. I don't know. We'll figure it out. So you just go ahead and, I don't know if you guys can see real well, throttle cable. Just pop it off from back in there and bam. Off she is. So let's go ahead and got our 2 gaskets. Well, shoot. They didn't send me this backside gasket. Or did they? Throw that back on. Throw this new carburetor in there. New gasket. All right. Ooh. Let's go ahead and hook this throttle cable up. And bam. Works great. That. Let's go ahead and put this back in here. Bada boom, bada bing. Alrighty. As you can see, it's pretty quick and easy to rebuild one of these. Man, is it getting hot out here. Start all 3 of these. Start that one. Probably blocking the camera, my bad. Go ahead and start this one. And we'll start the bottom one. Alrighty. Ah, I see. Alrighty, had a little mishap there. I think you guys can see a little better now though. Now go ahead and take that screw out. Hell, maybe. This needs to go in here. Before we tighten that up all the way, go ahead and get this in here. She popped out on me again. There, that's a little better. Go ahead and get that one started in there. Just go ahead and tighten all these up. That ain't going nowhere. Alrighty. About done already. If I could get this started. This bolt is kind of a pain in the ass. It's hard to get your fingers in there and even get it started. So, see if we can't get lucky. There we go. Put this new fuel filter on. That's on there. Just go ahead and change this spark plug. I don't know if it needs it, but they said a new one, so might as well. Make sure to stay hydrated. Man, is it hot out today. Got that off no problem. Spark plug looks all right, but good Lord. Yeah, it's, I don't know if you can see that, pretty burnt up, and good thing we just go ahead and replace that. Make sure to gap your spark plugs too. I already checked this one. It's fine. Alrighty, so I'm gonna throw some two-stroke in her and see if she fires up. Alrighty, let's see what happens now. If you know anyone that has a 3D printer, highly recommend asking them to 3D print you one of these. Best thing ever. Don't have to worry about that safety crap anymore. Look at that, we're getting primed. Ooh, almost. Probably gonna take a second. Who knows when the last time this thing's ran is. This might not be the only issue with it. We'll see. Well, If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll leave the link in the comments for this rebuild kit. And y'all have a good day.